In this video, we're going to take a look at payroll books and how to manage them. It is under Manage, Payroll, and Manage Payroll. Here, there are two ways of uploading a payroll book. You can manually upload them by pressing New, or you can use the ECOUNT web uploader feature. By pressing New, you can make a new payroll. So, enter the year and month and choose the payroll frequency. The chosen payroll frequency will decide the employees that will be selected in this payroll. And choose the payroll type. If you're using a normal payroll, just use payroll. If you want to give a bonus along with the payroll, choose pay bonus. If you want to separately give a bonus, choose one of the 9 bonuses. And choose the period of work. And if you like to divide the payroll book according to a project, you can select the project as well. Set up the payment date, and you can choose the name of the payroll book. This is not a mandatory process. Now you can choose certain targets. If you would like, press Setup and choose whatever you want to apply and delete whatever you don't need, along with the earnings, deductions, and calculation fields. If you do not want to use all employees, you can select the employees from here. Now, if you have set it as a bonus, you can choose the bonus payment method. You can choose it as an amount that is fixed, or you can choose it along with the rate and the percentage of the rate. You can also choose the display method. By choosing the rate, you have to decide what target it is going to choose the rate from. So make sure to press Select and Set Up and decide what rate that you would like to decide. So if you're only going to choose from salary, make sure to delete others. And so choose them and delete selected. And depending on the fixed or variable status, choose the following. Once you're done, click Save. For now, I'll be just using a payroll. Once you have made the payroll, you can always click on the year and month to switch up any information. And press the Confirm Timesheet. Here, if you have any variables listed, you can apply the number of hours or number of days the employees have worked specifically. You can do so manually, like I did over here, or you can use the ECOUNT web uploader feature to upload them in bulk. You can use the timesheet, the time management. Now you have to get the item mapping done, so click New and Edit and make the mapping. And choose the earnings code and link it according to your needs. For now, I will be just using the manual upload method. When you're done, make sure to save. When you're done, you can calculate all of them, or you can calculate a selected employee. Once you're done, you can calculate. Once the calculation has been finished, you can see the payroll book has been applied. For whatever reason, if you have to modify the following, click View and select on the employee to modify the information. Click on Save, and if you would like to recalculate the deduction, make sure to press the following button. If you do not want to do the following, then you can just enter the amount manually and you can just change it. So you can select the values that you want to change and apply them. Once you have applied them, Once you've applied them like so, make sure to press calculate. Since I've only changed Amy, I'm going to change and calculate Amy only. As you can see, Amy's has been updated and the others have not been changed. So when we go back to view, it has been changed. To do this in bulk, you can use the ECOUNT web uploader feature and select the payroll book by year month. Download the Excel template and paste the information and click save. Once everything is finished, make sure to finalize it. You can finalize it or delete it. Once you have finalized it, you cannot modify them, so you have to cancel the finalization. So click view, and once everything is nice to your needs, you can print it or change it into Excel, and you can view them by employees as well. You can select it, you can email it so that it goes to the specific employee. Lastly, you can make multiple templates by printing the slip and clicking print. This is the preview of the payroll. So if you want, you can set up a new template or modify existing ones, and you can change the information that's provided. So once you email this or print this, you can choose the templates like so. Once you're done, you can print the slip and email the slips to the designated personnel. So each employee gets his or her own payroll. Now, if this is repeated every month, you don't have to make a payroll book every single month. Simply click on the previous year and press copy. Change the month and other information as you need, and make sure to click save. And this will pop up. If you would like to copy any of the following, select them and press apply. So this notification will pop up, so make sure to recalculate the non-text as well, which can be done by searching the template, selecting it, and pressing the recalculate non-text button. Once everything is done, you can use the search feature to search for a certain project based or a certain department based, or you can search for a certain employee as well. Then, if you click on the payroll book, only that personnel will show up.